Hi everyone, how is it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page perfectly. Before going to the tutorial, I'm gonna ask you something. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's go there. You can see this is my Facebook app. So if you have a Facebook app, just click on it. It's quite loading and you can see such kind of interface. Next, at the left side you can see three dot line, so just click on it. You can see here your pages. Next, click on it and you can see here that is create. So click on create because you're going to create a page and you can see such kind of pop-up or something else. Then click on get started. Okay, and first of all, what do you want to name this page? You gotta give a page name, such as I'm going to give a page name okay, this is my page name. Then click on next. It's loading. And second one, most important, you have to select a category. I mean, what type of page is it? Education, personal blog, product and service, shopping and retail. So I'm going to give this product and service. It is the first my category. Next, shopping. That's it. So you can select, there is, you can add up 3 or more than it, you can select. So I just select 2 category. Okay, then click on next. Now, do you want to add an address? If you have an address, you can select this one. So I'm gonna select, there is, I don't want to add any address. Then click on next. It's okay. Now, do you have website for James Kids Center? You're gonna select a link of website. If you have any kind of link, so you can share here. So I don't have any link. Next, I don't have any website. Then click on next. Okay, right now you can select a profile picture and add cover photo. So first of all, I'm going to select a profile picture.
You can see this one. Okay.
Oh, I'm going to select this one. If you want to edit, you can edit it that way. Okay. Next, click on done. Right now it's okay. And click on save. Next, I'm going to add a cover photo. So just clicking on cover photo. This is my cover photo. It's okay. Next, it is save. James Kids Center. And you can see here there is done option. So just click on it. It's loading. Okay. This is your page interface. So your page or my page already created. If you want to invite your friend, you can click here. If you want to invite on WhatsApp, you can click on there and you can post. Just click on there, you can share photo. So page just created perfectly. Thank you so much for watching my video and hope to see you again.